Today I'm going to be unboxing, doing a tutorial, and a review of the Smove Pro Mobile, so keep watching. Hey, what's up guys? It's Jeff Lepard from jefflepard.com, and today I'm going to be unboxing, doing a tutorial, and a review of the Smove Pro Mobile. I'm really excited. I got this in the mail, so I'm just going to go ahead and start unboxing it. Let's see what we got. Okay. Okay, so here we have another box inside. Okay, I'll just put this aside. And here we have the Pro Mobile by Smove. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this open. While I'm doing that, I'm just going to let you know why I'm choosing this. So the number one reason why I'm getting this gimbal is because I want to make better videos. The second reason is I'm going to be going on a vacation to Thailand. That's my upcoming trip, and what better way to test this out? I've done a lot of research on these gimbals, and particularly this one, and this is the winning one out of the research that I've done. So, and you'll see after I do the tutorial and the review of it why it's that good. Okay, so we got the packaging here. Just going to go ahead and pull that out. Okay. Oh, we got it up, upside down here. Okay. Looks like we got a case here for your gimbal. That's excellent. We got something else in here. Okay, it looks like we got some brackets, and this is I believe this is for the Hero cameras, if you have. So put these aside, and there's your user manual. We have our charging cable, and of course the Smove Pro gimbal. Let's get this out of the box here. Really good packaging here, excellent job. Okay. And that's what she looks like. Of course, there's no power to it. Feels really nice and really sturdy and durable. Also, just want to let you guys know while you're watching this, you can check out the link below. I actually have a link that you can get 10% off, and there's a code. You can use that coupon code. It's Jeff Lepard, and that'll get you an additional $15 off any purchase there. Okay, so now I guess what I have to do is I'm going to have to pair this with my phone. I don't know if there's any charge to this, but... Okay, so I'm just going to get started, and I just want to mention, depending on the type of device that you're going to be using with your Smove, if you're using a larger phone like I am, I'm using the Google Pixel 2 XL, or if you're using an iPhone 6 or 7 Plus, you're going to have to do something before you're actually able to use that. In the box, there is a like a balance, a weight, and you're going to have to screw this weight to counterbalance the phone because it's a larger phone. If you're not using any of those phones, then you won't need this. Same thing goes for if you're going to use this with a Hero, one of the Heroes, you won't need the weight as well. So I've got the weight installed. It just twists on. So I'm going to go ahead and insert my phone in. Just going to slide it in. And you don't want to over tighten it. You just want to tighten it a little bit snug, but so that this is still a little bit loose. Okay. So I'm going to go to the app. That's the first thing you need to do. You need to download the app from the Google Play Store, or if you're using iPhone, from the App Store. So I've already installed that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect device. I'm going to hit that, and then I'm just going to go ahead and turn the power on. And I'm going to get a flash. Okay, so that's going. I'm going to hit the stabilizer. You're gonna hang on to it, and you'll feel it catch the phone, just like this. And here we go. So you can use the joystick up and down. So I'll just show you for you guys to see here. And already it's working. So I'm not going to get too much into it. What I want to do is I want to get a little bit more experience. This is my first time using this. So part 2 of this video will be the review and the tutorial of the functions of this. So that's it for now. We'll see you on the next part of this video. Okay, so we're back with part 2. I've got lots of experience with the Smove. So right now I just opened up the app. I'm going to show you how this actually works and how it works with the app. So what I'm going to do is first I'm just going to turn this around here. I'm going to hold the power button. Okay, so now it's caught the phone. I'm just going to hit connect device. Connect device. And that'll open up the app. And there we go. So that's my wallet you're looking at right now. So first thing I need to explain is the controls on this stabilizer. So you have your power button here. This is what we're using to turn on and off the Smove. You have your picture or video start button right here, and that works with the app, and I can just show you how that works. I'm just going to use that. As soon as I click that, there we go. We just took a picture. And if you were to change video mode, so you just hit this icon here, and if you were taking a video, I would just hit this button, and now it's recording. You can hit it again to stop. Simple as that. Just above that, this is your joystick control. So even though I can move and pan with the actual gimbal, this joystick will actually tilt, go up and down, left and right. And that's just like going to be your new center point, and it's going to keep the phone in that direction. So onto the left side, this is where you're going to charge it. And last but not least are your controls on the right side. You're going to see a knob and you're going to see a button. So this is your tilt and your left and right and your tilt axis control. So this is the speed to which it tilts. So now if you go all the way down, it's going to lock it completely. So I've turned the dial all the way down and it will not move. No matter what I do, left to right, this will not move. Yet my even up and down tilt axis is completely locked out. So if you want it to move fast, so let's just show that. Now it's really fast. It's very responsive. Okay, so generally my setting, I like that smooth transition. So that way it's just, no matter how fast I move this, the joystick or the control handle, it's just going to go fairly smooth, and that's what I want in my videos. So the next knob here, this is your tilt axis control. So this locks your horizontal tilt. So it doesn't matter what I'm doing here, it's going to keep level. If I unlock that, now I can pan up and down. So this is great when, if you've checked out my other videos where I'm doing a lot of vacation videos, street walks, I like to find a position. So I'll just usually set it up wherever I'm filming, and I will lock this. And that way, as I'm walking, not only is it being stabilized, only control I'm concerned about is left to right. I'm not trying to pan up and down buildings. And if I am, during the shot, I can just release that and flick that switch just for a very quick, brief shot. But mostly, I just want to keep the frame still and not go up and down, but I want to have access to pan left and right. So that's what that control is for. If you're maybe interested in purchasing one of these Smove Pro gimbals, I'm going to leave a link down below for you to do so, and I'll also leave an additional code so that you can save an extra $15. Now, if you didn't know, this Smove Pro gimbal also works with the GoPros. All of the GoPros, it comes with an adapter, and I'm gonna go through that with you right after I show you the apps. So I'm not gonna go through every single feature, but I'm just gonna give you an example. So this is your settings menu, and in here you can just, you can choose your video resolution, and we got different menus here. You can put filters. And then over here, you can do calibrate your gimbal to do different things, horizontal adjustments. Okay, and now this is an interesting feature I actually want to show you. So we have flash, you have all types of different things, but the most interesting is the face detection. And I'm actually going to show you that because it's really great. You can put this on a tripod. You can even put the gimbal on a stand, and this will track your face. So I just turned it on, and I'll show you. I'm going to reverse the camera. And so right here, and there's Kevin there filming me. So right now the box is around me. So I'm not moving the gimbal at all. And as I move, it's following me. I'm not doing anything with my hand. It's tracking my face, and it's just following me. Okay, so that's a really interesting feature, and we'll turn that back off for the purpose of the video. And let me just reverse that. Okay, we're back to this. So now you can choose over here whether you want to do picture mode or video mode. So you can see take a photo, take a video. So if you want to take a video, of course, we're in video mode there. And then we have our previous pictures and, of course, our reverse camera. There's a couple of other things, tweaks and stuff, but you guys can go through that. I definitely wanted to show you the face detection because it's really nice. I would say I would say it's pretty interesting, especially if you are going to be moving around a lot or doing an action shot, and you got to put the gimbal down. It's really nice because the bottom of the gimbal here has a screw, and you can mount that to any sort of camera stand. It's universal, and you can just put it down and walk back from it, and it will record and keep track following your face as long as it can see your face, not the back of your head, and it because it's only good for detecting face. So let's grab the GoPro, and I'll show you how to use the GoPro with the Smove. Okay, so with this Smove gimbal, it came with an adapter plate that kind of resembles your phone. So this is going to be used for any of the GoPros. This is a Hero Black 7, so it'll work with that, or the new Hero 8. It'll work with that as well. So you just have to mount it. Once you mount it, it's just going to be like your phone, the same kind of thing. You're just going to apply that to the gimbal. So all you do here is just take your GoPro. It mounts quite nicely. Just sits in there, and you're going to take this adapter piece, and you're just going to put this over the GoPro. Now you're not going to have any of the body casings or anything with that. With the GoPro, you have to take that out so that it's bare. Okay, so I just put that adapter here. You're going to put 2 screws through. I'm just going to get that started. Okay. And I'm just going to tighten that down. Okay, so that's in. So now all I need to do is just put that into the housing here. So same thing like the phone, I'm just going to press that in. I'm going to turn that until it's snug. So the other thing with this is too, if you want to do selfies, so this is right now mounted so that I could film myself if you were doing a selfie mode. So that's great if I'm going to do it that way, and you can turn it around if you're going to do the other way. So I'm going to show you with it turned around. So I'm just going to take it back out, and I'll change that position. Okay, so we've got it turned around now, and we've got it in video mode. So the one thing you got to know that obviously we're not using our phone, so there's no Bluetooth connection to the GoPro, at least not yet anyways, and you have to manually start recording on the GoPro. So you can just hit record, and there you go. You have a nice clean shot. and it's extremely stable. Already with the stabilization on the GoPros and the Smove Gimbal, that combined is like picture perfect motion. The videos are absolutely stable. And you can you can either switch the GoPro around if you want to do selfie mode, or you can just turn the camera around and you can record yourself that way as well. So that's it for the Smove Pro Gimbal. Don't forget, check that link down below if you want to check one of these out, if you want to purchase it. And I'll leave that down below. So just want to thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Bash that bell to turn notifications on for all upcoming videos. Give us a thumbs up and like our video. Leave a comment down below. Let us know what gimbal you're using, or if you're interested in purchasing one of these. And share the video. We'll see you next time at jefflepard.com. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.